Today's the day I'm going to take the top off of the CJ. Super easy to take it off. So hold the seat up. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Another one back there. That's on each side, and then a few screws up here in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. That's it. The whole thing comes off. Not the heaviest thing in the world, not the lightest either. One person can do it. 2 makes it a lot easier. Hard part's done. Get the doors off and I'll put the soft top on. So a completely different Jeep. These Jeeps are fun. With the top on, they're fun, but when you take the top off, that's when it's really fun. I cringe when I have to put the top back on. Now you can kind of see why. It's just a fun vehicle. All this pollen from these 2 oaks, all of that is about to fall right inside there. So that should be fun. Not really. But the good thing is, for the most part, you know, I don't park it in the garage. I have 2 other vehicles in there. But, I mean, it's pretty watertight. Can't submerge it, but with this bikini top on, it's pretty safe. Got the 258 straight 6 in there. Bulletproof motor. I think it has about 130. 117. The first one is missing, but 117, 280. Of course, it rolled over. Everything works. 4-wheel drive works perfectly. It does pop out a first gear every now and then. Probably a synchro is starting to go. I should have done it when I replaced the clutch, but yeah. Got a few spots. I have the rockers, I just need to install them. The covers that bubble up. That's basically from the screw hole that holds the rocker. Same thing here. And same spots. This one has a little more rust on the door sill. Right here too. The windshield has new hinges, so it folds down perfectly. Pretty much it. A fun Jeep. One of these days I'll sell it, get something else, but for now,